Hello and welcome to Excel Essentials. In this session, we'll be covering the len formula. The len function in Excel returns the number of characters in a given text or given string that you input into a cell. So, as you can see here in column D, we have some example text that we are going to run the len formula against, and we can see the structure of the len formula, which is very straightforward. You can either reference a cell as your text or input the text directly into the formula. So we're going to start off with the word 1, which we know only has 3 characters in length. So we're going to do equals len, and we're going to open that, and we're going to click on our cell, which is D2, and hit enter, and as you see, it returns 3. Now 2 is the same in length and only has 3 characters. 3 has 5 characters, 4, 4, and 5 has 4 as well. So as you can see, it is calculating that length for you. And here we can see we've got a joined version of these cells, and as you can see, there is also a delimiter of a comma and a space. And what we can see here is that there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 times that the comma and space occurs. So that's 4 times 2, which is 8. And if we were to calculate this, for example, so I'm just going to do alt equals, and that gives us 19 for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5's length. So if we were to do 19 plus 8 from earlier, that would be 27. And we can verify that by using the len formula and selecting it. And as you see, it's returned that 27. Now, we can also do it manually rather than referring to a cell, but it's very rare that you will ever have to do that. But just in case it ever comes up, you do equals len, and then you'll put your speech marks and you'll type in, say, 23.45 pi, for example, which is 7 characters in length. And as you hit that, you see it returns that 7 as a value. If I go to formulas and click on show formulas, we can see the formula there is exactly what we've put in. And once we turn that back off, we see it results and resolves itself as 7. Stay tuned for more Excel Essentials.